In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of investing in ETFs for beginners. Investing can seem daunting, especially if you're just starting, but with a little knowledge, it can be surprisingly straightforward. This guide focuses on exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which offer a simple and accessible way to diversify your investments. Here's what we will cover in today's video. We'll start with understanding what ETFs are, and then move on to how you can get started with investing in them. We'll talk about some tips for beginners, important considerations while investing, and finish with a strong conclusion. So stay tuned. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, can be thought of as baskets of stocks. Instead of buying individual company shares, an ETF allows you to own a small part of many stocks at once. This diversification reduces risk. For instance, if one company performs poorly, others might compensate for it, making it a more stable investment option. To start investing in ETFs, here's a simple flow you can follow. First, choose a reputable broker by researching options carefully, comparing fees, and looking for one with access to diverse ETFs. Next, fund your account by linking it to your bank account. Third, choose your ETFs by researching options aligned with your investment goals, considering factors like the ETF's expense ratio and underlying holdings. Finally, buy the ETFs. This process is similar to purchasing individual stocks. You specify the ETF and the number of shares you want to own. Remember to start with low-cost, broad-market ETFs. Let's test your knowledge with a quick question. What is the significant benefit of investing in ETFs? Is it A, lower risk through diversification, B, high short-term gains, C, no fees, or D, guaranteed returns? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is lower risk through diversification. By investing in ETFs, you reduce risk because they allow you to own a piece of multiple stocks at once, spreading your investments across different companies. Here are some valuable tips for beginners looking to invest in ETFs. Start small with an amount you're comfortable investing, and gradually increase your contributions. Diversify your investments by considering ETFs tracking different market areas. Maintain a long-term perspective and avoid making decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Set up a regular investment schedule to make the process consistent. And lastly, if you have questions, seek advice from a financial advisor to ensure you're on the right track. While investing in ETFs, there are several considerations you must keep in mind. Firstly, pay close attention to any brokerage fees and the ETF's expense ratios, as these can significantly impact your returns. Understand your own risk tolerance, as though ETFs are generally less risky than individual stocks, they still carry some level of risk. Lastly, be aware of any tax implications related to ETF investing and consult a tax professional if necessary. Investing in ETFs can be a fantastic way to start building wealth. By following the steps we've discussed in this video and doing thorough research, you'll be able to create a diversified and effective investment plan that aligns with your financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more insightful content about investing. Let us know your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.